Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to design a professional looking Facebook cover photo using Canva, even if you've never used Canva before. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a custom cover photo ready to upload, and you'll also learn a few simple design tips you can use in future projects. So let's jump right in. First, open your browser and head over to canva.com. If you don't already have an account, you can create one for free in just a minute or two. Once you're logged in, look for the Create a Design button near the top right corner and click it. In the search bar, type Facebook cover. Canva will automatically bring up the correct dimensions, which is really helpful because Facebook cover photos can get cropped if the sizing is wrong. Once the template opens, you'll notice Canva gives you a huge selection of ready-made designs. These templates are perfect if you want a fast starting point or if you're not super confident with design yet. Scroll through and choose one that matches your style or brand. Maybe you want something modern and minimal, something colorful and energetic, or something professional for a business page. Don't rush this part because picking the right layout makes everything easier later on. After selecting a template, you'll enter Canva's editor where you can fully customize the design. Start by changing the background if you want. Simply click on the background area and choose a different color from the toolbar. Colors can completely change the mood of your design. Softer colors feel calm and professional, while brighter colors help grab attention. Next, let's personalize the cover photo with text and graphics. Click on any text box to edit the wording. You can add your business name, a slogan, social media handle, or even a short message for visitors. Canva also lets you adjust the font, size, spacing, and color directly from the top toolbar. Now head over to the Elements tab on the left side. This section contains icons, graphics, shapes, and illustrations you can drag straight into your design. Try adding a few simple graphics or shapes to give the cover photo more personality. If you have your own logo or photos, you can upload them using the Uploads tab and place them anywhere on the design. One important tip here is not to overcrowd the cover photo. Keep things clean and readable. Too many graphics or too much text can make the design feel messy. Also, remember that your Facebook profile picture sits partially on top of the cover photo, so avoid placing important text or logos in the lower left area. Once everything looks the way you want, take a quick moment to review the design. Double-check spelling, alignment, and spacing. Then click the Share button in the top right corner and choose Download. For best quality, select PNG or PDF print depending on how you plan to use the image. After the file downloads, your Facebook cover photo is ready to upload. And that's it. You've just created a custom Facebook cover photo in Canva that looks clean, professional, and personalized to your style or brand. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more Canva tutorials, and leave a comment below if there's another design tutorial you'd like to see. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.